Good morning, grade 2. Here we have Teacher Scholastica. Today we have environmental activities. Environmental activities. We want to talk about energy. We want to talk on energy. Energy is the ability to work. Energy is ability to work. What do I mean? Energy helps us to do work. Energy helps us to do work. Then we have things that give us heat are called source of heat. Things that gives us heat are called sources of heat. We sweat when the sun becomes hot because of heat. We sweat when the sun becomes hot because of heat. And we find that when the sun is too hot, we drink a lot of water. When the sun is too hot, we drink a lot of water. Then we have sources of heat. Sources of heat. We have stove. You can see a picture of stove there. We have stove. A burning stove is there. Stove uses kerosene. Stove uses kerosene. We also have cooker. You can see a picture of cooker. This cooker has an oven inside. Even the oven uses heat. The cooker uses, you can either use electricity or gas. When using cooker, you can use electricity or gas for it to burn. Then we have a burner. For the burner, we use gas. We use gas. You can see a picture of a burner there. Then we have a jiko. The jiko, we use charcoal. We use charcoal for the jiko to burn. As you can see at the picture, you have a jiko there. They are trying to light the jiko. Then we have uses of heat. Uses of heat. 1. We use heat for ironing. We use heat for ironing. You can see a picture there. Is the iron box. This person is ironing clothes. Then number 2, we use it for cooking. Sorry. We use heat for cooking. In the picture, we can see they are cooking meat. They are cooking meat. Then we also use it for warming ourselves. We use heat for warming ourselves. As you look at the picture, we have a person seated there reading a newspaper. Behind him, we have heat, source of heat there. He's warming himself. Then we have used in drying clothes. It is used in drying clothes. After washing your clothes, you take them outside. Then the heat from sun will dry the clothes. Use it for drying clothes. Apart from that, we use heat for boiling. Boiling water. Boiling water. It is used for boiling. Look at the picture. You can see we have water there. We have boiling water. Then we have some exercise here. We have an exercise. Number 1 reads, dash helps us to do work. Dash helps us to do work. Food, energy. The answer is energy. Energy helps us to do work. After eating food, we get energy. So the energy will help us to do work. Number 2, things that give us heat are called dash. Things that gives us heat are called dash. We found that these things that give us heat are called sources of heat. Sources of heat. Number 3, we sweat when the sun becomes hot because of... Why do we sweat? We sweat when the sun becomes hot because of heat. Because of heat from the sun. There we will sweat. Then you have number 4. Number 4, they have asked us to rearrange the letters to get uses of heat. You are rearrange those letters to make a word which is uses of heat. A. Look at the letters. We have O. Look at the letters. In A, we have double O, G, C, I, N, K. Those letters will make a word cooking. Will make cooking. That is one use of heat. B, we have these letters I, R, O, G, N, I, N. Those letters will make a word which is ironing. Ironing. We use heat to iron our clothes to make them straight. Then we have D. The letters are, we have C, whereby we have D, R, G, Y, I, N. Those letters will make the word drying. Drying. We use heat to dry clothes, to dry grains like maize, beans, wheat, groundnuts, and even peas. Then we have D. D, the letters are B, G, N, I, L, O, I. They'll make the word boiling. They'll make the word boiling. Boiling is also use of heat. We boil things like water. We boil foods like potatoes, yams, cassavas. Name them. Then we have E, which is W, A, R, G, N, I, M. It will make the word warming. Warming. Warming is also use of heat. Number 5. Number 5, we have dash from the sun makes cloth dry faster. Dash from the sun makes cloth dry faster. The answer is heat from the sun. Heat from the sun makes clothes dry faster. Number 6, they are asking us to give 4 uses of heat. 4 uses of heat. Remember we learned about uses of heat, whereby we have cooking, boiling, drying, and warming ourselves. Don't forget ironing. We also have ironing. We use heat for ironing. We use heat for drying things like clothes and grains. Grains like maize, beans, peas, wheat, and millet. Then we also use heat in cooking food. We have warming ourselves when it is cold, and we have ironing cloth. Thank you very much. Have a good day. That was our lesson for today. Bye.